Hey guys, how's it going? So this is Brian from Boss Blogs, and this is one of the first videos I will be posting on my YouTube channel. And this is solely regarding, basically starting up your social media trends so that you can have everything aligned to your YouTube channel. Just been informing myself based on previous YouTube stars or previous YouTube people who have reached out and let me know, some of the steps that you need to take before going big, as you can call it. One of the first steps is you can always create a Facebook page to your YouTube channel. So basically what you need to do is log into Facebook. See, I'm already logged in, and all you have to do is go to this little corner here and go to where it says manage pages. After you go there, you can kind of see some of the pages that I've tested out or created, and basically start from scratch. So you're going to start here where it says create a page. After that, you go, or you see these two little windows that show business or brand. You can go ahead and select whichever window that you see, or whichever thing you see as that may interest you. So basically, business or brand is more of like small shops, mom and dad shops, or small businesses that basically want to be out there in the social media field. You can go here. If you have a brand, if you work with a brand that you would also like to promote, this is where you would go. For the most part, YouTubers, or if you want to connect a YouTube channel, you would go here to community or public figure, just because this is where you'll be posting a lot of your contents, links to guide them to YouTube. That's the main purpose here. That's the main goal. That way you can promote yourself and you can get more viewers, you can get more subscribers, more likes, what have you. So we're going to go ahead and start here. Hit the get started button. And then after that, you can go ahead and name your page. For example, I'm going to go ahead and name it Boz Blogs, just based off of my YouTube channel. And then you can create whatever name that it is that you want to associate to your YouTube channel, and then just go to categories. Under categories, you can go ahead and press or type in anything that you feel is what categorizes the field that you're going to be working on or that you're going to be posting about. I'm gonna go ahead and just be on the category of blogger, which diversifies to many other things. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit continue. After that, that's exactly what I wanted to happen. So you're gonna go ahead and see this error message because you need to make sure there is a space in between these. For some reason Facebook detects it as one word, and I don't know why it creates an error. So all you have to do is basically just hit space, and then it creates it for you, or you created a new name, as you can say. I don't know why, like I said, I don't understand why it detects it as one whole word and it creates an error for some reason. So, if a lot of you don't mind, it's going to have a little space in between your channel. So, that's pretty much the only downside of this. So once you hit continue, you'll be prompted on another page. I believe it's the picture. Upload a profile picture. Perfect. So you're going to upload the profile picture. Something that you like, whatever it is. I'm gonna go ahead and put my logo in for now. Set it up. Same with cover photo. If you want to, if you have a specific artwork, or if you have something that you would like to post back here, you can go ahead and do it. I am just gonna go ahead and do oh, it's too small. Okay, I'll just skip it for now, but you get the point. You can put anything you like here, and just make sure it has the specifications that it shows here. 400 pixels by 400 pixels wide by 150 pixels tall. You can always resize Photoshop, or even online. You can go ahead and find something that will resize the picture for you. I'll just skip it for this video purposes, just a tutorial. Once that is done, it will automatically create the page for you, and if you go down here, you can see that the page has been created. Okay, so then once that is done, you can go ahead and skim around, you can browse around, you can look at all the different options that you have. You know, you can add buttons here, you can add contact buttons, you know, book appointments or book you know, inquiries or whatnot. If they want to learn about your business, if you have any merchandise, you can always mess around with these buttons here in the future once you know you have established what you want. You know, the good thing about Facebook is that automatically all your friends, you can go ahead and invite all of your friends that you would like to check out your page. You know, create a crowd, that way you can post your stuff here and it would automatically, with the links that you provide through your YouTube, automatically send it over to YouTube. Like I said, you can always share it. Make sure that you always advertise to follow you, to like your page. You can look at, you know, it's pretty much like a Facebook page, just for your YouTube channel. You can post things here. You can edit posts. You can edit privacy posts. You know, if whatever reason somebody has a rating on you or reviews about you, you can check it there. You want to post videos up directly to here, you can go here. Pretty self-explanatory, all your pictures. This is the interesting part here, where you know you can add a little picture about you, or you know, whatever it is, your artwork that you have, you can go ahead and include here. Now if it's you and you're collabing with somebody else, or you're working with somebody else, you can always add them as a team member so they can have access to your page. I do believe they have to have an active Facebook account. It just can't be any random person. They have to be signed up to Facebook to be able to be a part of a member. You can go ahead and do, you know, when you started, your phone number if you want people to contact you, email address, you name it, website if you have one, or if you're thinking about building one. You know, the good thing about this is you can always save for later. Build a community where you invite people, you know, polls or whatnot. You can have personal groups, you know, you name it. You can promote yourself. I believe promoting is, it does cost you money, just because it's kind of like ads, which I believe this is more of a like for businesses or whatnot. So for the most part, all you would need to worry about is you know, making sure you post your content, stay on top of it. You can create your own username here. I believe this is where you can put your name as it shows on your YouTube. Let's see, it's loading, and there we go. You see, there you go. So I mean, I don't know if you like the repetitive, you can always change this, keep this, or whatever you like. You mess around with it. You know, create events. You can go live here. You maybe even you're able to you know, record if you have a mobile phone, record live here, and then that content you can always transfer it to your YouTube channel. Well, that's pretty much it. If there was something that I did not cover, feel free to hit that inbox. You can go ahead and comment down below, or you know, you can reach me at the email that I provided there on my YouTube channel. Thanks again for watching, and hope you hit that subscribe button or give it a thumbs up if you like it. Thanks so much.